Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing my new GoPro Hero 3. So without further ado, let's get to it. I've been wanting to get a GoPro for a while now because I do a lot of off-road bike riding and things like that, and I wanted some way to record it and put it on YouTube. But the newer ones like the Hero 6 and 7 were way out of my price range. So I opted for the Hero 3 because it seemed like a pretty good balance of price and performance. Okay, first thing out of the box here is the charger. This is actually a BlackBerry charger. I don't know if this is for the Priv or for an older BlackBerry, but I guess it'll work. And we've got some bubble wrap. And this is probably the GoPro itself. I'm going to set this aside for just a minute. And that's the last of it. Alright, this looks like the batteries. This actually came with 3 batteries. I bought this used on eBay. I'm going to guess at least one of these probably doesn't hold a charge. I doubt I'll get that lucky enough to have all 3 of them perfectly fine. But here's hoping for the best. This is probably the mount that it came with, which I believe is the surfboard mount. Yep, that's the surfboard mount. It's got the 3M sticky stuff on the bottom. You can stick it to whatever you want to record from. This is probably going to go straight on my 3-wheeler. And last but not least is the camera itself. Whoever the seller was actually did a pretty good job packing this. It's probably about how I would have packaged it if I was going to sell it. And here it is. This is actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be. It's got a little thing here. That's just dirt. I assume it comes out of this little case. Yeah, that pops off. And does this come off? Maybe? Is there something I'm missing here? It doesn't look like it. There we go. And there it is. Thing really is smaller than I thought it would be. That's about it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing if you'd like to see my full review coming in a few days. I'll see you guys next time.